Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX 10 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming.
Before we begin our DirectX 10 troubleshooting, you can follow the link below for a professional environment review. This is the DirectX 10 Update 26, a legacy DirectX 10 helper library. It provides unmanaged routines for spatial data orchestration, facilitating the 3D manifest for the April 2007 DirectX data link.
Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process.
DirectX 10.26 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support.
In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state.
A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered DirectX 10 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop.
With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. To fix persistent graphics initialization errors, you should download the DirectX End-User Runtime to restore the missing software bridges. This package contains the full set of legacy libraries required for multimedia applications, and it will automatically replace your DLL file if it is missing from your system directory. Why are we doing this? Well, the standard DirectX version included with Windows 10 and 11 is built for modern games and often lacks the backward compatibility needed for the specific file causing your error. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files.
Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for DirectX 10. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software.
To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact.
For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility link below references DirectX 10 configuration concepts. To support our technical team and receive updates on DirectX 10 resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.